Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. So, I just wanted to share this with you. I came out of my house this morning and I went to put my shoes on. And I just stopped and grabbed this camera so I could show you what I saw. Look what was on my front porch. I leave my shoes outside my door because I don't wear shoes in my home. And look what is underneath my shoe. Isn't that awesome? I'm just like, no, I did recently move, so we had a lot of boxes going in and out, so that little heart somehow fell, yes. My beautiful team of light, maybe past loved one, my dad, made sure that heart made it into my view. So I'm so grateful. A love note at my front door. All right, I wanted to share that with you. Blessings upon you, holy ones. Blessings.